let me show you how to provide order support for your WooCommerce store using the Jotform AI Agent. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to provide order support in your WooCommerce store using the Jotform AI Agent. It's going to be super easy, so just follow this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. This is my main workspace, and the first thing we need to do is select the AI agent that we want to use for the WooCommerce order support. So in this case, I'm going to use this agent. And what I'm going to do is jump over to the building section. So right now I can go ahead and customize the AI agent. I can go ahead and train it with knowledge, and I can go ahead and publish this right now. Now, what I'm going to do is add the AI chatbot for WordPress on my WooCommerce store. Now, in this case, I can download the plugin by downloading it right here and uploading it on the WordPress website, or I can jump over to my WordPress website, go to the dashboard, go to the plugins section, add plugin, and search for the AI chatbot Jotform plugin. For example, AI chatbot Jotform. So what this is going to do is search for the plugin, and it's this one right here. Go ahead, install, activate it, go through the process of connecting your AI agent that you want to use on your WordPress website. And the next thing you need to do to have this work on WooCommerce is head on over to settings, and in settings there's an option that says WooCommerce. Be aware that you do need to have WooCommerce installed. In this case, I do have it and I'm good to go, and I'm going to connect. You'll need your API key from your WooCommerce settings. To get those, jump over to settings, and in settings we're going to go into the advanced tab, REST API keys, and a REST API key, I'm going to create a brand new one. Go ahead and name this, and it's going to give you your key and secret code that we are going to use to connect our WooCommerce store here on Jotform. Once that's done, you'll have it enabled just like this one, and I can go ahead and disconnect if I don't want to provide this service. But in this case, I do have it connected already, okay? Next, we have the chatbot availabilities. In this case, it can find products, it can recommend products, it can add products to cart, and it can show order status. So in this case, I can give support from orders. So let's go ahead and test this out right now. Let me go ahead and show you the orders that I have right now. These are the orders that I have in WooCommerce, and I have 3 statuses right now: refunded, processing, and hold. Now let's go ahead and kick off the chatbot so you can see how we can provide order support. So this is the site. Let me go ahead and refresh this, and it's going to kick off the AI agent from Jotform. So here it is. Here's Brewster. I'm going to open this up, and it's starting off right now. It can kick off by giving me the best-selling products. I can track an order, and that's the first thing I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and track an order, and it should ask me for my email and the order number. Okay, here we go. To track your order, could you please provide me with your order number and the email address used for the order? So I'm going to provide one first. I can provide both and make this quicker, but I want to give you a hypothetical use case. So I'm going to say it's order number 71. Here we go. And next is going to ask me the email address. So we need to type both in order to give support. Okay, so now let's provide the email address that's tied to that order, and then it's going to give me the details. Here we go. Brewster is thinking, it's grabbing the details from WooCommerce, and here we go for order 71. This is what I ordered. Here's the total amount. Here's an order summary for this one. So right now it's on hold, and the items is number 1, the total, the currency, no payment, no shipping details, and here's the details for this one. So it's super easy to get updates from an order. Okay, now how about doing another check? So let's find out what's going on with order. Let's see number 67, which is a refunded one. Now information for order 67. Let's go ahead and send this off. Here we go. It got the order details for number 67. This one was refunded, and it was an order for 2 items, and total was $33.06. Now, what if I want to cancel an order? Well, let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. I want to cancel an order, and it's going to ask me what order number. In this case, I'm going to cancel order number 72. Here we go, and the email that's tied to this order. So let's go ahead and add the email right now. Here we go. The order 72 is currently on hold and has not been canceled yet. Would you like me to proceed and cancel the order for you? So here's the order information, and I can proceed to cancel. Yes, cancel. All right, so here we go. It's going to do the processing for us. It's going to save us time. And here we go. Has now been successfully canceled. So this saves us time. And now the order is changed the status to canceled. It was on hold and now it's canceled. So it's super easy and practical to provide support for orders in your WooCommerce store using the Jotform AI Agent. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your AI agent, connect it to WooCommerce, and start providing support for your WooCommerce orders. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.